Uber is a verb that everyone's very familiar with, but in more layman's, Uber is a transportation platform. Now, obviously, we have a lot of different sort of brands that are rider, driver, etc. The idea is to help unify them from a consistency and a user standpoint. We've done that through various design systems.
At a company at our size with 300 designers, nobody knows where anything is. Figma makes it so much easier just to get about our organizational problems.
Before, everything used to be pretty much decentralized, and collaboration suffered from that decentralization. Figma as a tool really helps the Uber design team and culture simply by virtue of its features and functionality. We have a design system which we call Base UI. Base UI came to be simply because we had so many disparate products that were working in sort of bespoke ways that really needed to be more centralized. Figma was a natural for sorting out how best to deal with this, simply because the team library helps us figure out how to best componentize and centralize all these things.
The cool thing is when you get to a company of our size and scale, we can deploy a new build of Base UI to every designer at the company with like 2 clicks of a button. The number of messages that I've seen, where's everything, pre-Figma, post-Figma, has gone down significantly.
I don't think we could have been as successful as we are with our design systems and move as quickly as we have without Figma.